welcome to this Gateway API video. Do you often experience that a lot of your important emails or notifications go unnoticed by you? Then I've got great news. Let me introduce you to our Zapier app, which integrates Gateway API with Zapier. Zapier is a platform that automates your workflows by connecting your favorite apps. The fusion of our two platforms can be used for receiving notice by SMS whenever something important happens on one of your other apps, like Twitter, Pipedrive, or Google Sheets. For instance, if you want to know whenever a specific Twitter user sends out a tweet. With the Gateway API Zapier app, you can create a workflow that automatically sends you an SMS message with this person's Twitter name and the content of the tweet. Or say if a new lead is added in Pipedrive. With the app, you can create a workflow that immediately sends an SMS message informing you about this lead. You are therefore able to contact the lead quickly, which will help improve your sales. All of this means that with our Zapier app handy, you can make sure that you always see the announcements that you find essential. This is because a personal SMS message is way more noticeable than an email in a stuffed inbox or a notification amongst a dozen others. In fact, up to 98% of SMS messages are being read. Smart, right? We think so. Go find the link to the Gateway API Zapier app in the description below and get started today.